Hi there! In this Leads to Profits Blueprint review, I'm going to show you how you can finally create a profitable email list and make money online without the tech headaches or expensive tools. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Leads to Profits Blueprint through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is Leads to Profits Blueprint? So, what exactly is Leads to Profits Blueprint? It's a step-by-step video course that teaches you how to build a profitable email list from scratch, whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience. The course shows you how to set up a simple, automated system that generates leads and sales while you sleep. And what's great about this is that it's not full of complex tools or expensive software. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. The course guides you through everything with easy-to-follow steps, so you can get started quickly. What's inside the course? Inside Leads to Profits Blueprint, you'll find core foundations of list building, so you understand why it's crucial for online success. How to create an irresistible lead magnet and an opt-in page that converts visitors into subscribers. The best tools for email list growth, whether you're on a budget or ready to invest. Traffic strategies, both free and paid, to get visitors to your opt-in page fast. And the best part? How to automate your email marketing so you're working less while making more. It's all about turning your email list into a money-making machine with strategies that actually work. And the best part? You'll be learning these tactics from someone who's already been there and done it. How it works. So how does it work? The process is simple. Step 1. Create a lead magnet and opt-in page. Step 2. Drive traffic using the free and paid strategies taught in the course. Step 3. Set up your email sequences to nurture those leads into buyers. And the best part? It's automated. Once set up, your system works for you 24/7, so you can focus on other things while your email list continues to grow. The upgrades, OTOs. Now, let's talk about the upgrades you'll see after purchasing the main product. Here's what they offer. Pro Upgrade. Unlocks additional features and removes limits. Done for you package. If you're short on time, they'll set everything up for you. Email marketing training. Get advanced strategies on writing emails that convert. Graphics. Package. Create professional graphics for your opt-in pages and email campaigns. Reseller rights. Sell the course and keep 100% of the profits. Pick the upgrades that make sense for you. If you're serious about scaling your business, some of these can really help speed up your progress. What I like and what stands out. What I really like about Leads to Profits Blueprint is how beginner-friendly it is. It's perfect for anyone who feels overwhelmed by tech and marketing tools. The pre-made templates and step-by-step instructions make it so easy to follow. Plus, it's not just about building a list. It's about turning that list into money through automated email marketing. And you can build multiple revenue streams. Use your list to sell your products, promote affiliate offers, or even create partnerships with others in your niche. What could be improved? Now, let's talk about what could be improved. While Leads to Profits Blueprint is a fantastic course for beginners, it's not going to replace the need for advanced strategies or high-end tech for larger businesses. If you're looking to build a super complex system, this might not be the best fit. But for most people looking to get started and build a reliable income stream with email marketing, this is a great option. So, if you're ready to start building an email list that makes you money, I highly recommend checking out Leads to Profits Blueprint. It's affordable, easy to follow, and provides you with a system that works. Plus, with my exclusive bonuses, you'll get extra tools to help you succeed even faster. Grab your copy through my link below, and don't forget to check the description for those amazing bonuses. Thanks for watching my review, and if you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more reviews like this. See you in the next video.